Warning: do not attempt to move on to the next step before you're confident, comfortable, and relaxed with the previous step. I prescribe practicing 3 days a week for maximum results.
Welcome back to the swim doctor's office. What seems to be causing you problems? Okay, well, I have a cure for that. But it's gonna cost you 2 clicks. Alright, you're gonna click the like button, you're gonna click the subscribe button, and then we'll get into the cure. Now, if you don't know how to float on your back or kick on your back, make sure you check my previous videos for that. And we'll get right into doing the backstroke. So something that might help you with doing the backstroke is using a kickboard. So in my previous videos I said hug the kickboard and lay on your back. Now this time, since you're more confident and comfortable, what you're going to do is you're going to pull the kickboard away. Just push it away, you don't need it anymore. So step 1 would be floating on your back. So you're going to get into the back float first. Step 2, you're going to start kicking to get a little bit of momentum going. Now step 3, you're going to start using your arms. Now when you use your arms, what you're going to do is you're going to raise your hand above your head, just kind of like you're raising your hand in a classroom. So you're going to raise it above your head. Make sure it does not go behind your head like this. You want it to be straight up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get your arm from all the way up here and you're just going to push it all the way to your side. When you're pushing your arm all the way to your side, what you don't want to do is you don't want to go below your body. What that's going to do is that's going to slightly push you up a bit, and you don't want to be bouncing up and down the water. You want to be just flowing on top of the water. That way you're going to be using less energy to be going faster. Then once your arm comes all the way to your side, you're just going to do the same thing with your other arm. Bring it all the way up to the side of your head and then push it all the way to your side. Now the key is you want to be doing this one arm at a time. You don't want to be using both arms at the same time and constantly moving. You want to do one arm, 2 arms. You're going to do in that 1 and 2 arms just until, I don't know, maybe do it about 6 times, and then get up, rest a little bit, try it again. The key is resting. I believe I said this in a previous video. What you want to do is you want to move 1 arm at a time. That way you can think about what your arms are doing. If you're doing both arms at the same time, you're focusing less on what your arms are doing and focusing more on just going. Now if you stuck around for this long, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. This bonus tip is keeping your chin up. When you're floating on your back, you don't want your chin to be straight like this, or you don't want it to be down. You want your chin to be slightly up because this is where you breathe. You don't breathe from the top of your head, so you don't want the top of your head above the water and your chin in the water. So make sure you're keeping your chin up slightly so that your body is straight, your legs are up, and you can breathe. Now if you've liked my videos so far, make sure you go down and like and subscribe for more of my content. And come back to the swim doctor's office for more cures. Thanks for coming.